Welcome to OffTrack RC. It's pro mod action. This is the no limits high speed class with OffTrack RC. So the trucks will have to be very precise. The driver's gonna have to be on key as they work around this track and try to get the power down as the sun and the heat just suck the water out of the track. It's going to get a little bit dusty. We may see some marbles start to form on the track, but these drivers are looking to master it. They'll get one qualifying pass. Let's take a look at the highlights. In third place, it's Andy Salerno with a 940 and the underpowered truck, but it is a 1-2 lockout at the top of the charts for Fallout with Chris Hackinson. Fallout 1 followed by Fallout 2 as TQ. About a tenth separating the two trucks, so expect Hackinson to be tough as we get into Pro Mod side-by-side action. Our first pair in round number one is the number 32-33 matchup, Hillbilly and Bounty Hunter. Devin Treat and Hillbilly slowly rolling around the track as trouble for Bounty Hunter in the far lane. Hillbilly makes a safe pass and will go into round number two. However, his reward is a race against the top qualifier. Fallout 2 in the far lane. Chris Hackinson against the Hillbilly. Fallout off in the lead, flexing some TQ muscle. In the near lane, Austin Grozier and High Roller facing off against Atomic Orange Chris Blank. I like that High Roller truck, looking good on the track, but right now he's in trouble against Atomic. Atomic gets the win and moves into the next round as we move to Indominus facing off against Maximum Destruction. We just saw Austin Grozier in the High Roller truck. Now he's in the Maximum Destruction truck, taking the measure of Indominus.
Drivers ready.
Walking Tall in the far lane against Boogie Van in the near lane. Chris Lane and Walking, and Fred Kurz and Boogie. Walking Tall off to the lead. The number 24 takes down the number 9 qualifier.
Drivers ready.
Jurassic Attack, Mike Spurlock, and Ballistic Orange. Ballistic with a nice turn on the far lane. Oh, Jurassic was making up ground, but then a two-wheel situation. He brought it back down, but it cost him the win. Michigan Ice Monster, Greg Coffey against Gravedigger Ice, Jordan Sick. An all-icy battle on a hot day in the Coliseum. Ice Monster off to the lead. Coffee smooth and steady, and he'll go to round number 3. Metal Health in the far lane, facing off against Gunslinger, the number 5 qualifier from Michael Spurlock. Spurlock running the long wheelbase Gunslinger and getting it done.
Drivers ready.
Blue Thunder, Jared Hockaday, and Excalibur, Fred Kurz in the far lane. Kurz off to the lead. Trouble for Blue Thunder on the turn marker. Excalibur rolls to the win. Fallout 2, the number 2 qualifier, facing off against Blue Thunder. 2 Blue Thunders in this bracket. Fallout with the win. 16-18 matchup, so should be fairly well matched. Flagfoot against Sudden Impact. Calder, whoa! Calder hooks a rut hard and up and over. We don't see that very often. Sudden Impact will take the win. Let's take a look back at that. That is our crunch time replay. He goes hard into the second corner, hooks a rut up and over. American Outlaw facing off against Gravedigger 32, Jordan Sick. Outlaw off to the lead. American Outlaw, the LMT-based truck with the win.
Drivers ready.
Gravedigger Fire, Clover 6 against Purple Haze, Andy Salerno. Oh, wow. Fire trying to take out a brand new starting light for OTRC and giving the win to Purple Haze. Whoa. What was that? Taking a look back, another incredible moment. Salerno pile driving it over the finish line and then trying to save the truck, break dancing into a wheelie and bringing it back down. Salerno right back on the line after that incredible save against Bigfoot Nation, John Breeden. Breeden in trouble in the far lane, a little bit wide in the first corner, trying to charge back, but not gonna make it as Underpowered gets it done.
Drivers ready.
Gravedigger Ice, Jordan Sick against Boss Fight, driven by Chris Parrish. Boss Fight, the number 14 qualifier, way down the bracket. Trouble for Ice, and Boss Fight moves to the next round.
Drivers ready.
Zeus and Taurus on the line right now. Taurus, the number 6 qualifier. Zeus only the number 27. Trouble in qualifying in that single qualifying pass. And trouble in the racing round as Taurus is going to take the measure. Gravedigger 28. Caleb Jasinski against Bolt Thrower. Aaron James in the far lane. And trouble for Iron in the far lane. Aaron James not going to get it done, upside down as Caleb Jasinski, I don't know if this is a mechanical issue or what, he's now cutting the turn marker. Now he's all out of shape. A bundle of penalties, but Bolt Thrower can't make up the ground anyway. Atomic Orange against Fallout 2 as we hit the top of the bracket in round number 3. This is the TQ Fallout truck. Number 1 qualifier, getting it done. Maximum Destruction, the number 8 against the number 24, Walking Tall. Walking Tall was very solid in his first race. Can he do it again? But right now, Maximum Destruction looking strong. A great save in the near lane by Walking Tall, but Maximum Destruction moves to round number 4. Michigan Ice Monster, Greg Coffey, and Ballistic Orange. Blank with the ballistic truck in the far lane. Oh, trouble in the second corner, and Ice Monster with the win. Excalibur, Fred Kors in the far lane against Gunslinger. Excalibur off to the lead. Excalibur smooth sailing despite a late charge from Gunslinger.
Drivers ready.
Sudden Impact, number 18, Mark way down the bracket this side against number 2, Fallout 1. Oh, Fallout. It got wild, but Fallout with the win.
Drivers ready.
Purple Haze in the near lane, and American Outlaw in the far lane. Outlaw number 7. Purple Haze, number 23. Outlaw a little out of shape into that second corner, but nonetheless, Outlaw with the win.
Drivers ready.
Underpowered, number 3 against Boss Fight, number 14. Salerno and Parrish. Oh, but Salerno out of shape in the first corner, trying to bring it back, but Boss Fight cruises to victory. Our final pair in round number 3, Taurus and Gravedigger 28. Jeremy Marks against Caleb Jasinski. Both trucks out of shape on the straightaway. Trying to make up ground on the back part of the track, and Taurus gets there faster. Taurus with the win, moving into round number 4. As we start round number 4, TQ's back up on the line. Fallout 2, Chris Hackinson, the hack attack against Maximum Destruction. Oh, and Maximum Destruction hooks are right in that near lane. Fallout 2 with the victory. Michigan Ice Monster, Greg Coffey against Excalibur, Fred Kors. Neck and neck into the second corner, but Excalibur stretching out a lead on the back straight and carries it all the way to the win. This should be a good matchup on paper. The number 2-7 matchup, Fallout 1 and American Outlaw. Fallout off to the lead. Oh, but he blows entry into the second corner, trying to make up ground. Oh, that was a close one. Let's take a look at that top-end charge at the final obstacle to the finish line. Outlaw off to the lead after issues for Fallout, trying to get the hammer down, but right there you see it by about a half a truck. American Outlaw. Boss fight in the near lane. Chris Parrish and Jeremy Mark and the Taurus truck. Epic battles over the years between these two. This time, the Taurus makes a clean pass, gets the win. Semifinal round, Excalibur and Fallout 2. Can Excalibur take down the 2-2? Right now he's in trouble as Fallout looking unstoppable with another win and goes to the finals. Our other semifinal pair brings Taurus, Jeremy Mark, against American Outlaw, Chris Lane. Oh, a lucky kick from Taurus, but did Outlaw catch him at the finish line? Let's take a look at the OTRC replay. Outlaw off to the lead, but Taurus super tight through that corner, but hung up on the turn marker. Outlaw charging. Wow, it's really close. Take a look at a freeze frame, and right there, by about half a tire, American Outlaw goes to the finals. This is the Pro Mod final round as American Outlaw faces off against the top qualifier, Fallout 2. Fallout off to the lead, Outlaw in trouble. Fallout unstoppable today, taking bracket number 1 for Pro Mod.
Mr. Hackinson.
Take a quick look at that. And it started off of the line. Fallout drills Outlaw on the starting line, and it just never stopped. Outlaw hiking up there, losing a little bit more time as Fallout just stretching out the lead. Smooth sailing, incredible. Chris Hackinson with Fallout 2 comes away with the victory. A strong performance. You swept the number 1 and number 2 positions in qualifying and then backed it up, doubling down with the overall victory in the race bracket. Tell me about it.
Car felt good. Everything worked out. The track service was fantastic. J-Concept tires were hooked up, and everything fell into place. I got lucky, and it was a lot of fun. Thank you.
He chalks it up to luck, but he looked pretty good on the track. We'll see what he can do in race number 2 as he looks to go for the trophy for event number 3. Fallout looking incredible on the track today. He's going to be tough. If Hackinson can do that again in bracket number 2 for Pro Mod, he is going to sweep the day and easily take home the trophy. But there's a lot of competition coming. We've got a track change, so you never know what will happen in race number 2 for the event. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you join us. And until next time, we'll see you then.